Ymarfer y dydd, exercise of the day, bent over row. Mae'r symudiad yma yn gweithio ar y cyhyra cefn. This exercise works the back muscles. Da ni'n cychwyn off, we're starting off. Sgwydda nôl, shoulders back. Put some line o'r hips, lean forward from the hips. Plygu penglinia. Bend the knees. Dwylo o'n blaena, hands in front. Da ni'n tynnu nôl, cadw'r penelin i mewn a gwasgu'n y top. We pull in, keep our elbows closed, squeeze at the top. Na ddangos i chi eto wan, I'll show you again now, hefo dumbbells, with some dumbbells. Dyna chi ymarfer y dydd. That's your exercise of the day. Bent over row.